A cartridge filter is made up of several folds of material that keep pool water clean by trapping debris and grime. Over time, the folds become overloaded and restrict the water flow. Think of the cartridge like a garbage can. Once the bag is full, there's nowhere to put any more garbage. You can either empty the bag or get a new one. With a cartridge, you'll know when the folds are full of debris and it's time to clean the filter when the water pressure from the return is very weak. Before you remove and clean the cartridge, turn your shutoff valves to the proper position so that the water flow is stopped from both the skimmer and return sides. If you don't have shutoff valves, you can stop the water flow by using a Haywood 1022 black cap or rags. With the water flow stopped, unscrew the black cap located at the bottom of the filter using your hands or a flathead screwdriver for leverage. This will neatly drain the trapped water and prevent messy spills as you separate the top from the bottom. Next, remove the top of the filter. Reach underneath the handles located on each side of the black ring located at the middle of the tank. Push in the tabs while turning the black ring until the top of the filter loosens from the bottom. Lift the top off to expose the filter. Carefully lift and slide the cartridge out of the holder. The filter will be heavy since it is still soaked with pool water. Place the cartridge on the ground and use your garden hose to spray the filter at medium to high pressure. This will loosen up grime and you'll notice your cartridge's color start to lighten. Very dirty filters will require a more vigorous cleaning using a chemical spray. We recommend using Water Trend's filter wash to remove deeply embedded dirt. To apply filter wash, attach the nozzle to the bottle and spray the cartridge on all sides from top to bottom. Use enough spray so that the folds are soaked with the solution. Allow the solution to sit for 15 minutes so it can penetrate the grime. Use your garden hose to rinse. Your cartridge should now look much cleaner and feel lighter. Next, return the clean cartridge into the filter housing with the embossed side facing upwards. Make sure it is properly centered and not leaning to one side. Replace the filter top by lining up the top and the bottom halves. Hold down the tabs underneath the handles and turn the top until both pieces are secured to one another. Your filter is now secured and your cartridge is ready to use. If you have any questions, reach out to your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.